wallet, and it's really one of the most important things there, their IDs and so on. Because I believe that if you do good and whatever it is that someone is watching over you, then you don't expect for nothing, but it's come back to you, and the universe is watching what we are doing. That's what I believe. So it was so great and surprised as to receive money from, I don't expect that it was, oh, thank you. It was just, if you do good, I believe that if you do good, good things also come back to you. That's what I believe. So let's just do good. If you do good, you're feeling good, right? That's what I believe. If you do good, and for me, that's what who I am. What I believe. Doing good, you feel better. I lost my cell phone. It was iPhone, and I was so I know the feeling if you lose something. You feel like lonely at the same time. Your contacts and all your pictures, videos, and it was the funniest thing is that when my cell phone I lost, I called it. I dialed my number, and the woman answered and then he answered my phone, and it's and then she dropped my call, and I can still track because it was iPhone. I can track where is it, but and the, I don't know what he did. She did because it was a woman. She removed my SIM card, I think, and she already makes something on my cell phone. But I really want is that my photos. There are my photos, some of my memories, but that's why I know the feeling of people who lost their things. I'm just sharing that. How about you? Do you have any things also that you already found, and what did you do? But if there's no name, it's not easy. Guys, thank you so much for staying my live. Thank you for visiting. Welcome. Sikoti, thank you for staying there. I use cell phone for my live because if I use yesterday I'm using my laptop, it was no sound. And today I in the morning I repaired the sound. You can hear me. So now you can hear my voice if I do live. Robert, thank you so much. I have a coffee from Turkey, but I did not yet drink. I don't know if you know how to do it. Do you drink coffee? Because I'm thinking if what should I do? Someone give it to me. She is our practicum, and she gave me a gift at coffee, but I did not yet drink. I'm gonna show you how. Maybe you can teach me how I can drink this. Just wait if it's here. Yes, this one. Before it will expire. You know this? Mandela. It's Mandela coffee. And do you see that? Debek. It's written